Deutsche Bahn continuously faces contractual challenges in its construction projects. Every construction project, large and small, entails a voluminous, detailed construction agreement and gigabytes of documentation, embodied in hundreds of schedules. Inconsistencies imply ambiguity, giving rise to disputes. Many stakeholders are involved in creating accurate documentation and in monitoring the construction project. Everyone involved needs to see only that which is relevant to them, nothing more. Contract automation in optima forma, creating large sets of interrelated documents. It's never simple. Delays in railway construction projects affect the day-to-day life of citizens. Any negative news will surely backfire on the public reputation of Deutsche Bahn, bringing the countless deadlines to the surface, making sure that each deadline is identified, even where most deadlines depend on other deadlines and their variability changes from project to project. This becomes increasingly challenging where contract data are to be reused in multiple documents, or if those data are updated during the preparations or implementation of the project. Accuracy, consistency, and manageability are crucial success factors and challenging Deutsche Bahn. This is a track where Weagree is at its best. No surprise that Weagree was granted Deutsche Bahn's Innovation Award.